This is the Hasselblad Vandra backpack, a 20-liter backpack that's more expensive than any bag I've ever reviewed, but also I kind of think it's worth it. Hasselblad is making camera accessories now, a bag, a strap, under the Vandra name. And I'm probably not pronouncing that right. It's like a Swedish Nordic word for hiking that also captures the legally enforced right for people to just wander. This bag looks and feels great. It is extremely functional. It's a 20-liter bag, which is on the large size, but still small enough to carry on and fit under the seat. Let's talk about the design first. It only comes in this one color, which is kind of a black gray. The bottom seems to be vinyl, which is actually a nice choice since that part would get dirty and the smooth vinyl won't attract any lint or dirt. Both sides of the bag have a pocket with a strap up top. That's perfect for a water bottle or a small tripod. On the right side is a zipper opening that gives access to the interior, so you could put your favorite camera right here to easily grab it. This is nice. It's symmetrical, but they don't provide exactly the same service. On the other side here, you unzip this and you have an accessible pocket, which it's a great place to store a memory card reader. This is also where I'd put my passport while I was traveling so that I could easily access it. The top has a really nice opening that gives access to the top compartment. Just pull it up and it sort of unsnaps like this and pulls open and gives you access to whatever is in the top. Of course, it's a Hasselblad. Hasselblad is a luxury brand, so if you buy something Hasselblad, you might want people to know that it's a Hasselblad, and Hasselblad isn't shy about that. There's the white H logo here. The grab handle there, it says Hasselblad. And then again at the bottom, Hasselblad. If you wear the bag and you meet somebody, there's even a little H here in the shoulder so they know you have a Hasselblad bag. The straps are nice and thick and sturdy and well suited for the amount of gear that you might be carrying in this. And if you're running to catch your layover flight, there is a chest strap that will stop the bag from bouncing around so much. And it just very elegantly snaps right in place like that. Pulling these straps tightens up the shoulders so it fits nice and snug. And this one last strap is a must-have for me. This allows you to put it over the handle on your roller bag. So if you are running through the airport, you don't have to wear this. You can just put it on the roller bag and roll it around. Let's open this up and see what we can fit inside. The back has two pockets for an iPad or a full laptop. You can definitely fit even the largest MacBook Pro in here. This has a nice little magnetic clasp, whereas this is Velcro. Onto the dividers, you can see it's deep enough to fit some cameras turned sideways, which means you can use space really effectively. And the X2D fits perfectly in sideways like this. By the way, speaking of Vandra Hasselblad accessories, this camera strap, which I actually paid for, was $300. These dividers can all be rearranged, which is really nice because it allows you to customize the configuration of the storage to the gear that you're bringing on that particular day, maximizing the usefulness of the space. And horizontally, these fasten in through these loops that you can see there's quite a few different loops available. So again, it just gives you a lot of flexibility in your configuration. Included with the bag is a Hasselblad branded rain jacket for those times when you get caught in the rain, though it definitely feels like the bag will be pretty resistant to the elements. There, even with the cover on, people know you have a Hasselblad. In the comments down below, let me know what you think of the Hasselblad Vandra backpack. Is it worth $469? I think so. I'm definitely going to continue using it when I need a bag this size. I wish they had a smaller version available because I definitely could use a 10 or 15 liter bag. So I will continue to use my older bags when I need to. I also kind of wish they had a variety of different colors or two-tone options, but this is their first bag and I bet Hasselblad's going to continue to fill it out. Subscribe to see tutorials, camera reviews, and much more.